the Lord, oh my soul, and all my being. Bless His holy name. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, and forget not all His benefits. The Lord has set His throne in heaven. For as the heavens are high above the earth, so surpassing is His kindness toward those who fear Him. As far as the east is from the west, so far as He put our transgressions from us. The Lord has set His throne in heaven. The Lord has established His throne in heaven, and His kingdom rules over all. Bless the Lord, all you His angels, you mighty in strength, who do His bidding. The Lord has set His throne